Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make unsweetened peanut butter at home. First, you'll need raw peanuts, a baking sheet, and a food processor. Roasting the peanuts enhances their natural flavor, making your homemade spread truly delicious. After roasting, the magic happens in the food processor, transforming them into a smooth, creamy butter. Finally, we'll cover how to store your fresh creation. To begin, select raw, shelled peanuts. Spread them evenly on a baking sheet. Roast your peanuts in an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. This step is crucial for developing a rich, deep flavor. Once roasted, let them cool completely. Cooling ensures they process correctly and prevents the oils from becoming bitter. This simple preparation makes a big difference. Now for the fun part. Transfer your cooled, roasted peanuts into a sturdy food processor. Start processing and you'll see them go through several stages, from coarse crumbs to a thick paste, and finally a smooth, creamy butter. This usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. Scrape down the sides occasionally to ensure even blending. If you like, add a small pinch of salt for extra flavor. Once your peanut butter reaches your desired consistency, transfer it into a clean, airtight container. Store your homemade unsweetened peanut butter in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 3 weeks. It's natural for the oil to separate over time. Simply give it a good stir before serving. Enjoy your delicious, healthy, and freshly made spread on toast, with fruit or straight from the spoon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.